What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to open the Renuzit bottle from the top. Now, it is my understanding that the correct way is actually to open it from the bottom, but if you open it from the top, it'll look a lot nicer and it'll last longer and it won't dry as quick. So what you're going to need to open it from the top is just a random piece of sharp object. Here I have a pair of tweezers, but a knife would certainly do the job. So here we have the top of the bottle, and what you want to do is just take your object, the flat edge, and force it under the tab. So once you can do that, you just want to pull up, and eventually you'll be able to do that with your fingers once you've done it enough, and it'll just pop right up like a soap bottle. I think it's pretty subjective as to how far up you want to pull the handle, but once you pull it up, it should look like this. If you liked the video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope this video helped you out.